We're looking into the security of customer crypto funds, and the name Bitwala keeps coming up. First, let's clarify. Bitwala rebranded to Nuri, and after facing severe market stress, including the 2022 crypto crash and the insolvency of a key partner, Celsius, Nuri filed for temporary insolvency. Now, the critical question, did customers lose their Bitcoin and Ether? For a period, Nuri assured its users that the insolvency process did not affect customer funds in their Euros accounts, their wallets, or their Nuri Pots investment accounts. They stated that assets could be withdrawn at any time. This was largely because Nuri leveraged partnerships with regulated banks and custody providers. For instance, Euro deposits were covered by the German Deposit Protection Scheme up to 100,000 euros through their banking partner. Crucially, in its original Bitwala iteration, the platform offered a non-custodial wallet option, meaning customers held their own private keys. If you had a non-custodial wallet, Bitwala itself could not lose your funds. However, the connection to the insolvent Celsius network was a major point of risk for some users. Celsius held funds for certain Nuri clients, and Nuri's CEO at the time stated they could not be sure if those particular client funds would be recovered. Ultimately, the Nuri brand ceased operations, but a new entity has since returned to the market under the Bitwala name. The new Bitwala now offers a seamless migration for previous Nuri users to reclaim access to their crypto vaults. So, while the company went through a major crisis and rebranding, the official position was that customer assets were safe and could be withdrawn, though funds tied to the Celsius partnership faced risk. The return of the Bitwala brand and the re-onboarding process suggests a push to resolve the situation and maintain customer access to their cryptocurrency. Security and custody are paramount. Always know where your private keys are and who has control of your assets.